In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 3D text in CapCut. So there are actually two ways of doing this, and I'm going to show you both. Okay, so what you want to do is first add in some text to your CapCut project. In my case, I'm going to just write 3D, but you can write in whatever, and I'm going to adjust the size so you can see better. And then you want to, of course, select a color of your text. There we go. This is the color I want. And now what you then want to do is select your font that you'd like. I'm going to choose this steady font over here. And then scroll down here on the right to where it says shadow. And this is what you want to turn on. Click. And then make sure the color of the shadow is the one you'd like the shadow to be. So the shadow is going to be kind of the 3D effect. And now the opacity should be set to 100% and the blurriness to 0. And then the angle to 0 degrees, like this. And then as you can see, it already has that 3D effect. And you can then play around with how 3D you'd want it to be. So if it's at 0, there's no 3D effect. But if you go to the right, as you can see, I'm going to leave it at around 6. The text now has the 3D effect. And now this is the first way of doing it. And the second one goes as follows. So you want to, again, add in some text. I'm going to use the 3D word again, make it a bit bigger for you. There we go. I'm going to change color yet again to red, like this. And the font. So let me find the font. There we go. Steady. And then what you want to do is simply make a duplicate of this very text layer by holding down the Alt key and simply dragging it away. There we go. Excuse me, yet again. There we go. And now as you can see, I have two text layers over here, and you want to make one a different color if you'd like to, just like I did. And as you can see, this bottom one is now a different color. Then you want to align them. I will align these two, one above the other, and then the one that's at the bottom should be put to the right. So the way you do this is simply dragging it like this, as you can see. There we go. I'm going to change it like this. There we go. And this gives you a little bit more space to maneuver, as you can change it to wherever you like it. You can put it down like this, or you can put it around to the other side, or however you like. So you can make the 3D effect look any way you'd like it to look, but I actually prefer this where it's only to the right, or maybe slightly to the right and then down, which I think looks the best if you're looking for 3D text by far. And that's pretty much it. What you can then do is select these two and create a compound clip. There we go. And you have to select it. There we go. I did not do that. Undo compound clip, hold down Control, select both, and create compound clip. There we go. And you've then got yourself a 3D text that you can play around with, adjust the scale of it, and then the position and all the other things. You can animate it and do anything you'd like with it, and that's pretty much it. So if this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and that's it.